Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Envy 4500E all-in-one printer. What I want to do is to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. We're also going to load papers and align the printer. Open up the ink access door. Put your hand by the side to lift up. Once you lift it up, the ink holder will move and position itself. The colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. Just need to open up this cover to remove the ink. So this printer uses HP ink 301 black and triple color. So this is the black ink cartridge. Remove this plastic, then you go in. So push it inside, then put this down. Do the same thing to the colored one. Remove the plastic. Make sure this chip and contact pads go inside. Then close the cover. So the next thing to do is you need to close the door. The previous used genuine HP cartridges installed. Then you select OK. We'll show you genuine HP ink cartridges installed. Then you select OK. Asks you to load plain paper, white plain paper, and press OK. So we're going to load the paper. So to load paper, open up the paper casket, then take A4 paper, go in, then adjust the paper. Then you select OK. Now printing alignment paper. So it's printing alignment paper. I will show you, you must scan this alignment. So what you need to do, you need to open the glass and put the paper. Make sure I start from this part, face down, close the cover, then select OK to scan. So I will show you scanning alignment page. Alignment successful. Press OK to continue. Then you select OK. Then it will show you copy, scan, wireless direct, ink level, and printable. So this is how to set this printer up. Thank you very much.